Good morning. Anong oras na? 10:44. Oh, init. Punta kami ngayon ng outlet. Then, kain ng sushi.
Binibili to.
Then, in and out. Woo! Tapos, punta na kami ng airport kasi balik na kami ng Maryland. Then, New York. Oh, let's go there. Dito na kami sa outlet. Si Daddy ay pupunta sa kanyang cardiologist. Kaya hindi siya makakasama sa outlet. Ayan na si Samsam. Are you excited na naman?
Yeah.
Nakita mo yung in-story ko?
No.
Tingnan mo. Let's go. No, it's not. Let's check. Para may masayang bata.
I want to buy boots.
Boots? Why boots?
Wala lang. What is this?
You like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay lang na medyo parang...
Aray.
Yeah. Mm.
Gusto ko pa magbili?
O, dali, ipapatong mo lang naman.
Okay.
Ano ako pumasok?
Oh, take a photo. May masayang bata.
Paduda.
Yeah. She likes sushi.
Chan.
Oh, that's good.
Hindi nang patanggal.
Come on, check.
Ooh, these are nice. Sam.
Look at that. We should do podcast. Since we are always talking nonsense.
Things and sapatos sa outlet. Camarillo.
Nauso tong samba na to.
Ang ganda yun, ha?
Oh, maganda pa din. Cute
Oh.
din yun sa baby.
So guys, tingnan
Mahal
nyo.
pa rin siya. No?
Samba.
Oh, ano?
100.
Ganda. Nasa $100.
60 we're wearing only.
Nakita mo yung sinsot na
Yeah.
tiger.
Oh, that's
Oh, that's
nice.
Kaya napili mo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Taas mo daw.
Team on it.
Pero
Team
pag
on it.
gumaganto ako.
I
Sakit.
like it.
Yeah.
Masakit talaga siya. Ginagaling.
Gusto mo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, may bling-bling pa.
Hold up kayo.
Bling,
May
bling,
charm
bling,
ka pa.
bling.
Oh, put it there.
Yung bag.
Let's go. Let's go.
Malaki pa sa katawan ko. Pwede ako mag-pay?
Oo.
Oh.
May money ka?
No. Pero gagamitin. How money nyo?
Let's go na.
Hold up.
You pay it.
Ang gulo natin, malapit na tayo ma-evict dito. Nice naman.
Nice one.
Nice one.
I'm hungry. I wanna go.
Mamaya na dun muna tayo. Nabudol mo si Papa Iyoy.
Can we go inside?
Yeah.
Oh. How much? Where do I look?
Si
Where do I look?
Side. At the back.
Spend it's $30.
Oh.
Is it good?
Nice naman.
Yeah, I want this. Shopping spree.
Oh, you got 2 free items.
Yay!
Nagulat si Julius. Siya pala magbabayad. Thank you. Oh, kiss Tito Julius. Kiss Tito Julius.
This way are Pilipino.
Tay! Kita, you're blocking the way.
Ito na po yung tita of the year.
Don't block the way.
Tita Jenny.
Tatay, tita.
Hi!
Vlog takeover.
Nasa Old Navy kami.
We're now at
Deep.
Old Navy
Tagalog only.
doing shopping spree for Sam and Kasi Jam.
Yes, kay Julius.
I guess you wondered where I
Huh?
I guess you wonder where I've been.
Di na. Almusal. Naglilits.
Yung dinner namin, tita, lechon. Tas almusal lechon. Tapos si daddy may ECG siya. No morning.
Ngayon?
Opo.
May appointment pa siya.
Pabalik na yun, tita.
Nag-shopping din pala siya.
Hi.
Hi.
Hola.
Uy, vlog.
Hola. Welcome to my vlog.
Bakit nandito sa
What do you want?
Hindi naman ako
Ba maganda sa'yo yung mga parang polo na long sleeves? Like men's style.
Yeah. Oh, I have those.
Hi, tatay. Shopping ka?
Happy.
Shopping?
Shopping lah.
Happy shopping.
Pambabae naman ito lahat. Pita nga mabait.
Pinakamabait na kasi yan, tatay.
Mabait yan.
Hindi gumagalaw, ano?
Hindi tumatawal. Eh, hindi maasahan pag may nagnakaw.
Nakabantay pa sa pinto.
Hindi naman siya. Bantay.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're okay.
We're always blocking the way.
Thank you, Dea and Julius, for the gift.
Parang you're sad naman.
Thank you, Dea and Julius, for the gift.
Tell my classmates I have a YouTuber teeth.
Alright, that's good.
But not
Where are
a
we going?
celebrity.
Where are we going?
Claire's?
Claire's again? No,
I guess.
we're not going to Claire's.
We're going to eat already?
Yes. Ang pogi naman. Ang pogi, no?
You continue.
Tita's driving. Oops. Hi. Tawag si daddy. Camarillo. In and out. Mamaya mag-in and out. Sumo sushi. Tatay's favorite, crunch roll.
Hi.
Daddy's here na. Yeah. Thank you.
Get 3 crunch roll, please.
3 crunch rolls?
Yes. And 1 tonkatsu ramen pork, mild.
Oh, tungkol sa namin, I could...
Oh, the combo. With the combo? For the combo? Yeah. For the lunch.
Look at that.
Ito.
Is it good? That's mine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Does it look like?
Mainit. Naka 30
Yeah.
degrees yun.
Yes. Can I add ramen?
Oh, you look at the ramen? Just
Yes.
mild ramen or
Yes,
spicy?
the mild one. Thank you.
And this one's the crunch roll?
Yes, crunch roll.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry.
For that.
Okay, pala.
This one's just the same as like bigla nag-English.
Saan ko po na pwede ilagay?
Lagyan ko
Kasama
ng
mo
sauce
ulit.
and
Kayo ulit magkasama. Kasama kayo.
Good din. Sila Irol nagte-take out ng in and out. Kami nila tita ay babalik na sa bahay. Sila Irol dito. Ayun sila.
Ayun, kawayan mo.
Wow, in and out.
Smells good.
Bye!
Bye!
See you again. Let's go.
Bye.
Huh? Bye, Irol!
Bye, Papa Iroy.
Ingat kayo. He's happy. Solo sila ni Eliza. Okay, we're going to airport. Punta na kami ng Maryland, then New York tomorrow.
Can I say hi? Hi.
Where are you going?
New York and Maryland.
Are you excited?
Yan, nakapasok na po kami. Hanapin lang namin yung gate namin. Gate 15, going to...
Mabilis lang ang pila.
Yeah, bilis lang dito.
Pero mabilis lang. Gutom na. Nagbaon kami ng in and out. Nag-hypoglycemia na ako kanina. Hindi ka na scared?
I'm very good in school.
Ano?
I have good grades.
Yeah.
For the military member only. All right, group one, come on down, group one, all four of y'all.
See you later.
Yeah.
Sa plane na naman.
Night flight.
Yes, with family.
Dito na kami sa aisle. Boarding. Bound to Baltimore.
With fun.
With the fam bam.
Morning, nandito na kami ulit sa Maryland. As usual, nakatulog na naman. Hinintay lang namin si Daddy, si Sam, tsaka sa Ate Dana. Gutom na ang bata. Gutom na kami lahat. How's the flight, Sam? Nakatulog ka? Tulog ka lang yata ng tulog? True. Hello. Papunta kami ngayon ng IHOP.
Too cold. Hindi na ganito kalamig nung umalis ko eh.
It's too cold.
Doon sa labas kanina, merong smoke. Parang may apoy yung loob ng bibig ko.
Punta kaming IHOP. pagbaba, binaba lang yung maleta, tapos diretso breakfast na kami. Gutom na. Balik na kami para matulog, tapos gising ng 12 o'clock para mag-lunch kasi mamaya pupunta kami ng New York.
Paano yun?
Eat muna ng lunch bago pumunta ng train station. It's good.
Panghang.
Hi. Nagpe-prepare kami ngayon kasi pupunta nga kami ng New York. Train lang kami. Amtrak. First time nila mag-Amtrak. Kami naman ni Julie, second time pa lang. Pa New York din yung last time. Sana this time hindi delayed. Kasi dati na-delay kami. Delayed yung hinto kami sa Pennsylvania. Sana this time diretso lang para sandali lang. Malamig ngayon. Kasi sa New York na ito ang pagdating 1 degree pagdating namin doon. Kala ko mainit na eh. Hey Sam, we're going to this train station.
Dalawa pang hawak. It's like and it feels so right when we didn't stop loving.
Yes.
The Boston.
How?
Let's go. Ay, may doctor.
Sila may day pupunta na.
Hindi naman nagtitigil.
May day na vlog ko kayo. Say hi.
Hi.
Are going to New York. Gulo ng buhok. I have my ribbon.
Dito na kami naghihintay. So,
The train.
yes. Meron pa kami 1 hour. Aga namin, as usual. Travel na naman.
Isa, mukhang kondisyon.
Ready?
Let's go!
Dito na kami sa train. Ang hirap talaga maghanap ng seats kasi wala naman seat number. Hindi kasi Sam tsaka sa Dana magkatabi. Tapos, si Daddy. Doon siya.
So ayun na nga. Dito na kami sa Amtrak train station.
No, I'm train.
Train na station. Kasi nasa train na kami.
Gulo.
Sorry, medyo naglalag pa kasi
Puyat.
puyat na straight from Cali. Tumating kami ng around 6.
6 a.m.
Yeah, dito sa Maryland. Then nag-nap kami 3 hours. We woke up mga 11:45. Tapos nagpa-deliver lang kami ng lunch para makakain. We had some good food naman. Thai food. Paborito nila. Every after work nire-request. But other than that, yeah, we're on the way to
New York.
New York. Nandito na kami sa bandang Delaware. I think next stop is Delaware, Newark, Delaware. binabasa mo?
Dala ko yung Kindle ko, yung travel Kindle ko, this one. Tapos si Miski, nabalik na sa akin. Naiwan ko kasi ito sa Cali. Yan. So, the title of the book is Don't Go Downstairs. Title of the book. Yan. Nagugutom ako. May dala akong kasoy. From Morong, Bataan, Philippines. Bigay ni Bessie. Anong kasoy ito? Buksan ko lang. Wow, adobo.
Garlicky.
Garlic.
Sarap.
Adobo ba to? Adobo ba? Garlic. Adobo, garlic. Parang mani.
Fresh from Morong, Bataan. Pag nagawi kayo ng Morong, sarap yung cashew nuts nila. Quality.
Yeah.
Pag nag-rides kayo doon, maamoy mo yung mga nagluluto ng mga kasoy along the road.
Meron tayo next kakainin. Ito ay from Ate Katie, Kuya Ryan, Rania and Caius, Nathaniels. Masarap. Popnik sweet corn. Kainin na natin. Let's eat. Excited ako. Let's try it. Sarap. Daddy. Da. Okay. We just arrived.
Sabi parang
Ingal.
nakailan lang, winter tayo.
Yeah. Welcome to New York.
Touchdown.
We're here
Brooklyn Bridge.
in Manhattan.
Ako na lang to.
Okay, here.
I found pennies.
Oh yeah.
Lost pennies.
Okay.
Ako na lang to.
That's good. Maganda. Nada. Oh. Look at our view. Ganda. View from our hotel room. Mga giniginaw. Maghanap kami ng dinner. Punta kami ng Chinatown for dinner. We are here in Chinatown. Gonna eat there. Here. Great New York Noodle Town. We'll see. Daming tao.
Ito na naman
It's good. Tea time. Sarap na fresh.
This roast pig.
Pig on rice. And here's the pig.
Kasi yung roast pig ng Singapore.
Yung ano, yung chicken rice.
This is
Serving nila dito ng rice.
chicken rice. Wow. Yummy. Ito yung chopstick. It's good. Yes. Antay mo yung food mo pa. Meron ka pang rice. That's me. Thank you. Lo mein. Daddy, masarap? Ha? Gutom ka? Yan, masarap? Very good. Good, you're okay? Okay, nakapag-freshen up na. Naantok na. Bukas na lang ulit. Good night.